Today, I'm going to show you how to master client management with Clickup, using a quick setup that will help you organize your projects and collaborate like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to structure client assignments in Clickup, using templates to set up your workflows efficiently, even if you're brand new to the platform. Let's jump straight in. First, open up your Clickup workspace. This is where all your work lives, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Clickup organizes everything into workspaces, which are a bit like digital offices for your business. If you're managing multiple clients, keeping everything in one workspace is a smart way to stay organized and avoid things getting lost. Next, select your project. In Clickup, a project might be a client you're working with, a case you're managing, or even a big marketing campaign. When you click on a project, you're zeroing in on the details that matter for that specific client or assignment. Take a moment here to double-check you've chosen the right one, especially if you juggle several clients or projects at once. Now here, where we begin organizing, you'll want to add a list inside your chosen project. Think of lists as folders within your project. They're perfect for breaking down tasks, stages, or separate deliverables for each client. Click that Add List button. It's usually easy to spot, and this step is how you create a dedicated space for your client work. If you're unsure about how lists fit into the bigger workflow, just remember. Lists keep your tasks in one place and make the project much easier to manage. To save time and stay consistent, let's use a template for your list. Templates are one of my favorite Clickup features because they let you skip repetitive setup and instantly apply a proven structure. Click on Use Template when adding your list. It's a bit like using a recipe but for project management. Type legal in the search bar. Now, why legal? Clickup offers a variety of templates for different industries, and the legal project assignment template is designed for exactly this kind of organized, detail-focused management. Even if your work isn't strictly legal, you might find this template works great for managing client projects thanks to how thorough and customizable it is. Go ahead and click on Legal Project Assignment when it pops up. Clickup will build out your list based on this template. It'll automatically include sections and tasks tailored for managing client assignments, keeping track of deadlines, communications, and other important pieces. This can save you tons of time setting up the groundwork, especially if you handle multiple clients or complex cases. Now comes a key step: edit the template according to what you need. Don't worry if this takes a few moments, especially if it's your first time working with templates. Customize task names, due dates, add assignees, attachments, and any other field your client work requires. Maybe you're dealing with a marketing contract instead of a legal one. Adjust the details. The idea is to shape the template until it fits your workflow like a glove. Remember, templates are starting points. Think of them as blueprints that you can tweak so your workspace feels personal and practical. And just like that, you're done. You've set up a client management hub in Clickup, using a proven template and tailoring it to your needs. This workflow is great whether you work solo, within a team, or run a busy agency. It keeps everything organized, clear, and ready to go, so you can focus more on helping your clients instead of chasing down tasks and deadlines. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more easy, effective tutorials on Clickup and beyond, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.